Today we are going to learn how to write a cover letter using ChatGPT. For your information, ChatGPT is National Language Processing System which is developed by OpenAI. You can access ChatGPT through this URL chat.openai.com. First you need to create an account there, then log into ChatGPT, and here is what we are writing our prompt in. So in this section I will write my prompt properly in ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to write a cover letter for me. For example, I am writing, I am applying for the data manager position in ABC organization. Please write a cover letter for me. When I press enter, then ChatGPT will start writing cover letter for me. You can see here it writes, dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest in the data manager position at organization with X years of experience, blah blah blah. So once it finishes the cover letter, we can copy this cover letter into MS Word and then we can change the placeholders with the proper values. For example, let me copy this from here. Copy the entire cover letter, open one Word, paste it here, and then change the values accordingly. For example, dear hiring manager, or you can say dear sir, and then I am writing to express my interest in the data manager position at ABC organization. Here you can replace this with the organization you are applying to with X years or months of experience. You can replace the years and months placeholder with the appropriate value of your own experience. Then you can come here and it says in my previous role at this company. So you need to mention your previous company here, and at the end you need to write your name here. So just replace the placeholder values with your own values and it will be a perfect cover letter for you to apply for the data manager position. Remember, you can replace the data manager with any position that you are applying to. So this is not specific for data manager. You can ask it to write for another position. For example, I am applying for the business consultant position at ABC company. Remember, this ABC is not a company. I'm just writing here for the sake of example. You can replace it with any company that you are applying to. So I'm saying I am applying for the business consultant position at ABC company. Please write a cover letter for me. When we press enter, it's going to write the cover letter for the business consultant position at ABC company. Most of the times it is going to change the text. Each time you are going to ask a question from it, even if you ask the same question, it is going to change the text most of the time. So you can copy this like I copied before. You can copy it and paste it on MS Word, change the placeholders with appropriate values, and then you can send the cover letter in your application. So this is how you can ask ChatGPT to write a cover letter for you, and then you can use it to apply for any position you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, like this video, and comment what you are going to ask from ChatGPT so we can create a video for you.